diagnosed with sleep apnea 2 years ago. My symptoms were loud snoring. I would stop breathing. Very sleepy during the daytime, no energy. Tried CPAP machine, couldn't use it. Tried other appliances that were advertised on television, couldn't use those. I read about Dr. Clements' appliance that he offers in the newspaper. Came in June and was fitted with my appliance, and it has been great. My snoring has almost completely stopped in just a few months. My husband and I are sleeping in the same bed again. My energy level has increased greatly, and I recommend it to anyone.